All right, so this is an update of how the house is looking at the moment. Got some furniture. I'm actually flying out tonight, going back to Italy. This is the couch and stuff, and table, our vacuum cleaner. You know, I bought this for 5,000 yen, so pretty cheap. And then here's our appliances and all this right here. On the 25th, they're gonna come in and put in wallpaper and tile against this wall here and fix it up. Here's the bathroom. I mean, it's a bathroom. It's clean. I gotta put a towel rack there and get a bench. There's the wallpaper they're gonna put up in the kitchen. The bathroom's in there. Here's the steps, and they're pretty fucking steep. But all in all, pretty nice how the house turned out so far. Here's a smaller room where I sleep. There's a table, there's a lamp. That still works, but needs to be replaced. Here's the very steep staircase. This is the big room. The reason why I don't sleep in it, because like, it's just big, that's about it. Well, it's, you know, pretty good. Now we changed all the lights, except in the kitchen, to a brand new LED one that uses a remote to turn off and on. Here is again. This still works, but the compressor needs to be replaced. And here's the one in the living room, and just turn off and on. And all these remotes work in the same room, so that's pretty neat. And yeah, this is the place. It's old. It needs a lot of work, but it's getting there, and it's getting better with each passing day. So yeah.